Hello class! Welcome to 123 English with me. I'm teacher Crystal and we are ready for lesson 34. Today we are going to talk about adjectives of quantity. We have been talking about ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. Did you know that ordinal and cardinal numbers are adjectives of number? That's because they usually answer how many or how much with an exact number before a noun. Remember, an adjective usually describes a noun or pronoun. So what is an adjective of quantity? I had a student who asked on our Facebook page if we could talk about this, and I thought it would fit in perfectly right now since we've been talking about numbers. Adjectives of quantity usually answer the question, how much? But it cannot be answered with a countable number. They are usually an approximate amount, not an exact amount. So let's review some of the common adjectives of quantity. Little, some, enough, much, most, any, very, plenty of. Remember, these are only adjectives of quantity when they have a non-countable noun behind them. So for example, you could say plenty of rain. You can't count rain. You could say, I have enough milk. You can't count milk. I have little energy. You can't count energy. That's what makes them an adjective of quantity and not an adjective of number. Most of these words can also be used as an adjective of number. The only difference is the adjective of number will have the noun that is countable right after it. So you could have some shoes, that is an adjective of number. You could have any candy, that is an adjective of number. If you cannot add an S to the end of the noun, then it is a non-countable number. If you can add an S, then it makes it plural and you can count it. It's just like money. You can't count the word money, but you can count the dollars. So in today's lesson, I wanted to talk about common adjectives of quantity first. For tomorrow's dictation, we will go over sentences using these adjectives of quantity. We will write one sentence with each one of these words, and each one of the sentences will have a non-countable noun after it, because that's what makes it an adjective of quantity. For today, we will not have dictation, but we will include today's date with tomorrow's dictation. So tomorrow, you will have all 10 sentences of dictation, and 2 of them will be the date. So I hope that you have a better understanding of what adjectives of quantity are. They go along with our numbers, but it is a concept that goes along with adjectives. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Can you think of a noun that cannot be counted? If you can think of a noun that cannot be counted, write it below. Remember, many times if you can't make the word plural, then it is a word that cannot be counted. For example, you can say rain, but as a noun, you cannot say rains. You can say snow, but as a noun, you cannot say snows. You can say water, but as a noun, you cannot say waters. You can say milk, but as a noun, you cannot say milks. So I hope this lesson helped. Remember to hit subscribe on YouTube so you can get all of the videos. If you go to 123 English with Me's playlist, you can see all of the classes that are already listed. You don't have to search for them, they're in a playlist. If you click on Teacher Crystal, you will see Home, Videos, Playlist. And you can click on the 123 English with Me playlist and all of the classes are there together. They begin with the newest class, but you can still access all of the old classes below. So I'm glad you were here today, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.